Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the APCENS Rechargeable RGBCW motion sensor ceiling light. This will do all different colors and scenes along with some different tones of white. It's rechargeable. It's got a good size battery. That's the 8,000 milliampere hours sized battery, which is larger than a lot of these, so hopefully we won't have to recharge it as often. On the back, it's got a nice plate for mounting, which you can either mount with the provided screws, so you can do it this way, or with the provided adhesive strip, which is probably what I'll do. I think the area where I want to mount this doesn't have really thick wood backing, so I think the adhesive side is going to be really helpful for me. It comes additionally with a nice charging cable for USB-C and the remote, so you can control all those colors. Let's go ahead and get this installed and take a look at it. Now, there are so many potential applications for a really slim light like this. I live in an older house, and so a lot of the nice lighting solutions are not really available to me. They just weren't installed at that time. And so things like putting lighting under a counter where it's so slim it actually fits under the lip of this upper cabinet. And so mounting one there. Inside any of the cabinets in our pantry, which look just the same, will give us a nice amount of light. Also, our closets. Our closets never had any kind of inside lighting, and that's where I think I would personally benefit the most. So I'm going to take a look at one of the closets and get this installed. Now here we have this old coat closet, and you can see it still has the old yellow paint. But I think that having a nice motion sensor here would give us good visibility to the coats in here and the shoes that are below. The nice thing to note about this is it's got a 30-second delay timer, so you can set it to the motion sensor, which is a roughly 15-foot motion sensor, so will be no problem when we open the door to the closet, but also that it will delay off. So 30 seconds it'll stay on while there's motion. And so it's neat. You can do all the different colors. I may use it for something back here in the background on Halloween because you can control it with the remote. But I think in terms of just functionality in our closet, this is going to help us a lot. So now I've got it turned on, and I'll show you what it looks like. We can do the on setting, so that means it'll stay on. And I'm going to show you some colors. And so as I push for purple and orange and yellow and green, all of that works really well. I'm going to do, let's see here, let's go for the white light. That looks nice and bright. And here on the remote you can actually see the different timer options. So it's got its 15, 30 seconds, 60 second, and 2-minute delays. And so the delay timer is really helpful. You can also set it on motion all the time or motion just when it's dark. So I think because this is inside a closet, I'm going to put this on motion all the time. And then I'll do it as a 30-second delay. And so when you point it and push the button, you get the confirmatory blink. So I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go to daytime, and then now it's sensing my motion. And so really easy to set up, and it also has sleep timers as well. So if you're intending to use it longer, maybe you need a slim light inside of an RV or for a different application, you can do a lot of different settings with the remote. All right, now I've got the adhesive strip put on there, and I'm going to take the top cover off, so it comes off just like that. And I'm going to stick it where I want it. So one of the things I like to do when installing stuff like this is I put the magnet where I want it, and then press on it, and then now it's exactly how I want it to be, right in the closet, giving us some nice light. So Yep, it's an old closet and it needed a light, and this is a really easy rechargeable solution. I don't have to do any wiring. The installation doesn't really get easier than that. I don't really feel the need to bolt it in, screw it in, because it's not really going to be under any stress or wind or anything like that. So hopefully this helps you make a good decision about what kind of light might be right for you. This one certainly works for me. Thanks so much for tuning into my review. Bye.